A very warm welcome on behalf of We Can Inspire. I am Dr. Shivram Krishnan. In case of a good personality, or to add a good personality, one has to keep progressing. Now, the word progressing has many meanings. Many of us, when we are younger or middle-aged, we think that if we had a good music system, we had a good TV, we had a good bed, we had a good micro oven and other cooking ranges in our house, we are progressing. But is that really progress? To an extent, yes, that's a progress, because in order to do all that, you need to earn money. So if you want to earn money, then you need to do better work, efficient work. Therefore, it seems to be that that's a progress. The problem with all that is that it all keeps, being outdated, and therefore you'll have to keep replacing them. Your time will be spent on replacing your TV or your music systems and so on. Or even decorating your house, the newly bought house, you want to repaint, redecorate and so on. And you think that you're progressing, that you're doing something, and you're occupied. And there are friends who come down and say, it's so wonderful, beautiful, it's a wonderful music system, oh great, what a choice, and what taste do you have, and all that. Over a period of time, that occupies more space, more time of yours, because there could be a repair, etc. And then it could become boring, because after some time nobody talks about it. Even you don't talk about it with your family members. Therefore, what really is progress? Progress would mean that you're adding value to yourself in terms of your behavior, in terms of your character, in terms of your knowledge, in terms of your skill. So you add value to that. When you add value to that, it's enduring. It lasts for a longer period of time. And then you are very meaningfully occupied. Not only that you are meaningfully occupied, the members in the house are also meaningfully occupied. The quality of your conversation also improves. That's adding value. So you may learn a new art, you may learn new music, you may learn a new sport, or you may learn something new to do, or you may be very socially helpful. That is really adding value. And it lasts for a very long period of time. So even if you are not occupied with your work, or sometimes when your work is not so good, you are occupied with these, and it makes your life very interesting, valuable, not only to yourself, but to a lot of people. That really is progress. And if we can do that, we add hugely to our personality, and our personality really shines, and you get so involved in that you do not look into petty things. That's the beauty of this kind of progress. I hope you are able to get something out of this little video. If you do, please do share, subscribe, and do let people know that there are such videos in We Can Inspire channel on YouTube. Thank you very much.